Hello guys, it's Mokobe here. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to set up minimum price order in your WordPress website. Let's get into the video. So, the first thing you need to do that you simply need to scroll down and you click on what plugins, after which you click on add new. So guys, we are going to be using this free plugin called WC minimum order amount. So this is it here, after which you click on what install now. So guys, once installation is complete, you simply need to activate it. After activating it, you click on WooCommerce, after which you click on settings. After that, you simply scroll down, and you are going to see the minimum order setting. So you simply need to insert your amount here. Let me say $200. That's $200. After which I'll click on what? Save changes. So guys, let's say we want to purchase a product. Let me show you guys. So we'll click on store. Okay, we want to purchase this product. That's the minimum. The order here is about $2. So we are going to click on add to cart, after which you click your review cart. So if your price order is not up to $200, you won't be able to go to the cash out page where you simply need to insert your payment details. So for you to be able to go to this cash out page, you simply need to place your order should be above $200. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in the next video. Peace out.